how to turn on Pinterest dark mode on desktop. So if you want to turn on your Pinterest dark mode on your desktop, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Pinterest, search for Pinterest and go with www.pinterest.com. Once you're on your Pinterest, make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged in, if you want to set dark mode on your Pinterest, then as you can see that here on the top, you won't have a dark mode option. Is go with a new tab, and on your new tab here, you need to search for Chrome Web Store. Go with chromewebstore.google.com. Here you need to search for an extension, which is dark theme or dark reader or dark mode, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with add to Chrome, which is on the right side, and then go with add extension, and it has been added. Now you need to go with your Pinterest, and here you need to go with your extension, in the extension, and enable the dark mode. That's it. As you can see that your dark mode has been turned on. That's how you can turn on your dark mode, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.